Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to show you guys the Napoleon. This is the S25. So this is the latest EPA 2020 wood stove available from Napoleon. They do have this model available in 3 sizes. You'll note the S30, the S25, and the S20. So I'm just going to do a general product overview for you guys. This model does just have a standard 6-inch flue, and it is a top vent model. You'll notice the step up here. This is a convection style stove, so the heat will just naturally rise out the front and also off the sides of the stove. Inside the firebox, you do have a completely gasketed firebox door. Inside the firebox, you do have fire brick on the bottoms, the sides, and the rear of the stove. So the S25 is actually going to have 4 reburn tubes located up at the top, and then you do have baffle systems that go above these air tubes. So the heat just naturally rises up and it reburns before it exits the flue stack. So this is what's going to make this model efficient while still being a non-catalytic stove. So these models do have a drawer that pulls out here, but it's not actually an ash pan. So this is a solid fire brick bottom. So to get these ashes out, you would have to physically scoop them out. As far as your damper controls go, your damper control is going to be located directly here on the bottom of the stove. So this is going to bring combustion air in from underneath the stove. That's pretty nice to have on a wood burning model because it makes it super easy to get your fire started. So I hope you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.